Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're going to create a muzzle flash tutorial in Camtasia 2021. Now the good thing about Camtasia is it's very easy to do special effects with your video. So here I have some video of me with a paper gun shooting. So we'll just play it back. And I'll show you how to line up the muzzle flashes. These muzzle flashes and sound effects are available from Productioncrate. I will put a link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, this is a fairly high quality video, and to make it play smoothly in the canvas, this is called the canvas in Camtasia. In Vegas Pro it's called the preview screen. A preview window. What we can do here is click on the media, right click, create proxy video. So what this is doing is creating a new video in Camtasia. So when you playback here, everything will go smooth. There won't be any lag. You won't have to worry about system crashes or lockups or anything. It'll be just smooth as pie. The quality will degrade a bit, but in your finished video it will be 100% clean and sharp. So once this is done, we'll start. Okay, so first of all, start playing this until we see the first shot. Stop that. Let's go back each frame. Keep going back until right there. Back one. Press Shift M for marker. Now we're going to put our Productioncrate muzzle flash on. This is an MOV file. All you have to do is just drag and drop it right over top of the image. You can rotate it if you need to. Rotate it a bit. Play it back. Okay, again, scrub through this, frame by frame. Take the next one, right down here. This one doesn't really need to be adjusted. Just, I love working with Camtasia. It's so simple to create special effects. Make that good. Back through. Now let's add some sound effects. Once again, this is from Productioncrate. The first one. And to the second one. So let's play this back. It looks pretty good. So all you have to do then would be to go to export and then render it to YouTube. Actually, you can render it from YouTube directly to YouTube or whatever social media platform you want. So that's how to create a muzzle flash in Camtasia. We'll work in all versions of Camtasia. And once again, the sound effects and muzzle flash were from Productioncrate. I'll link to that below. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks patrons, and a special shout out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too. Link below.